when I have my beast bag toy,
Beast Lab toy.
I want to open it up. How? How can you open it up? Ah!
So what happened? Did you ask mom?
Yes.
What did your mom say?
Yes.
Oh, is that your prize?
Yes, it's my prize.
Okay then, let's open it up.
Okay.
What's for power attack? Alright, so let's help y'all open his Beast Lab toy. And I have like some like Ooh. This one's so sturdy. Sturdy it is. Sturdy it is. Woo. I like this toy, Mom. Me too. Thank you, thank you. You're welcome, you're welcome. Hi, I wish I want to get the hammerhead. Hammerhead? So do you have an idea what's inside? Yes, yes. Dude, look, there's a sign. Oh, there is? See there. Hey, sister. We'll show you later what's inside. We're just going to open the box. Oh, yeah. Sure.
The base lab has the instruction and ingredients.
Ingredients. All right, let's
So I
start.
need some water.
Okay.
Put it in. 6 of AA batteries.
That's right. We need 6 AA batteries in order for the Beast Lab to work.
Oh. I want to put
El will begin his experiment now by turning on the Beast Lab. Put it up. Turn it on. Up. Nice. You hear the sound? The instruction says, next one. Flick power mode switch. When fingerprint scanner flashes, press to continue. Okay, press.
Yes.
Press your
Wait.
finger.
Press your finger.
Okay. There you
I
go.
did it.
Yep. Third one. Unscrew lid from chamber. Unscrew lid. Where is it? Where's your water?
Unscrew
Over here.
Water.
And this one.
Unscrew lid from chamber.
Yeah.
Right.
And wait. Okay, put the water.
Okay.
How many water do you need?
I don't know.
I think do you need more? Do you think so?
Probably 6.
When heat dial flashes, turn to position. Show. So these are all the ingredients.
Step 1.
You can create
Spices. Mommy, can you remove this?
create spices. Okay, so this is what we need to create the spice.
The spice.
Earlier, Yael said spices. It's actually species.
Oh!
Okay, put it
It's
on.
fizzing!
And what's happening?
It's fizzing!
It's ready. And turn the heat dial flashes. Put it to the green one. Here. Whoa! More. One more.
Like this one.
Cool.
That
Yes.
one.
That's cool.
Are we going to yellow?
Not yet. And it says when fingerprint scanner flashes, press to continue. Oh, wait. Power up attack.
We need you.
Put everything.
You.
It's
Stuck in my
gooey.
hand.
Okay, scientist.
You.
It's gooey ooey.
Yes, we're gonna put the colorizer beast.
Colorizer beast. All right. He
This
put
one's the
that
color.
one already. And he said, turn the dial to orange. The heat.
Orange.
Orange.
The heat.
Good. Number 4 instruction. Unleash your beast.
To roar.
Ooh.
This one's so cool.
Interesting.
Oh, it's so fizzy. Oh, it looks like fizzy.
Okay, turn your dial to
2
color
color
red.
red.
Yellow, oh sorry, red, orange. Okay, good. Next one. Complete the experiment by
Putting a
putting the last ingredient.
Yeah.
And then turn the dial to, the heat dial to the last one. Oh my gosh. Okay, turn the container. Yes. Put the cap on. Very good. And press the arrow. Go. And look what happens.
Behold!
Behold.
Like reach.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay, what's next?
Open it up. Remove the cap.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna reveal the beast.
We already revealed the beast.
Alright. Okay. What's going to do?
Open it.
Open it. And
Wow.
what happened?
Whoa! It's a hammerhead!
It's a hammerhead. Show me. Show me.
Wow.
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 Can you show me your hammerhead?
Wow.
That is so cool. We got a hammerhead beast. What do you want to say with your experiment?
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That easy else. Go. Get it now.
1,
2, 3, go.
1, start coming out. Watching my vlog, I got a hammerhead shark with his weapon. I
Yay!
got a weapon on him. Get this weapon out of here.
Okay.
Get that.
Did you have fun?
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. Can you show them the hammerhead shark?
Put
Nice.
this right over here.
Awesome.
Right over here.